客家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一客语。
Hello everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。
春天来了，
我正想讲同一句话你看你绿油油的。
呛哩哩耶。
That's right. You know, Alice is dressed in green to welcome him in springtime, and let's just go ahead and teach you this because this month we're teaching you colors. 其实这个月的主题就是跟颜色有关啦。好，那今天教这个绿好了，绿怎么说？绿 that's green. 春天的草地绿油油。The grass in springtime is so green.
春天嘅草片，
春天嘅草片，
呛哩哩耶，
呛哩哩耶。Okay, 哩哩耶 is kind of like a particle to describe the green. 呛哩哩耶就是绿油油的意思咯。那春天叫做
春天，
春天 There you go. Springtime, the grass is so green. 然后另外一个东西我们常看到是绿色的，就是红绿灯。红绿灯坏了，造成塞车。When the traffic light is broken, because there's a green light in it, it actually causes traffic jams.
红绿灯快铁咧，
红绿灯快铁咧。
沙石茶，
沙石茶。Okay, let's break it down. 红绿灯 literally means red, green light.
红绿灯，
红绿灯 which generally describes a traffic light. Okay, let's review some of these phrases that has to do with the color green, including green, 绿。绿 But when you want to say like the grass is so green, you say 绿油油。
呛哩哩耶，
呛哩哩耶 Okay. Finally, the traffic light, which literally translates to red, green light.
红绿灯，
红绿灯就是红绿灯。Thank you for listening to Practical Hakka.
是母大家。
俺是谁张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.